Hello everyone, friends on the Valor channel. Today I'll show you how to contact Epic Games support. You can use any browser, doesn't matter what device, computer or phone. On a computer, just type Epic Games and go to the first link. Right? Then at the top left we have support. And here a chat will open where you can communicate. Enter your problem here and a bot will contact you first. Then for complex requests, an operator. See, they'll communicate with you. On a phone, it's done the same way. So I'll switch to phone mode. Type Epic Games here, go to the site. Right, so here at the top left, we'll also have a support button. If not, then click here, yes, on the 3 bars, press support. There, and here we contact support. Yes, but here you'll need to log into your account. But if you can't log in, then create another account and describe the problem for the account that needs help. Yes. So that's everything. This was Valor. Bye, everyone.